U squared. This was the second thing that we went over in the inner circle day with Bob. U squared. That's it. If you have the book, I would grab it. Price Pritchett, a little small book, a little treasure chest of a book. If you don't have it, completely fine. I encourage you to buy it though. It's probably like $5 on Amazon. A lot of you are going through a quantum leap phase. It's uncomfortable. It's chaotic. I really encourage you to listen to these words right here. I'm going to say those again. When you're going through a quantum leap phase, it's uncomfortable. It's chaotic. It's unpredictable. There's fears. You don't know if things are working out. Many times there's a lag period between you changing the structure of business, personal life, whatever it is, and you actually manifesting the physical results. It's going to be really important. Focus on ends rather than means. We're going to start that first paragraph. You don't have to know how you're going to get there, but you need to know where you want to go. It is crucial to have a crystal clear picture of what you want to accomplish. Operate with a sharply defined mental image of the outcome you seek. Rivet your attention on that spot where you are to land at the end of your quantum leap. Visualize your arrival. When you do that, it's like you magnetize yourself to the ways and means involved in the methodology for getting there. The solutions begin to appear. Answers come to you. So good. You magnetize yourself. If you start worrying about everything that will be involved in getting from here to there, you are bound to bog down in the questions about methodology. People always get hung up on the how. Aspects regarding a quantum leap. How are we going to do it? Skip it. The answers will come to you. And when they do, you probably will find them to be simple, streamlined solutions. See, a quantum leap is a move you're already prepared to make. You just haven't done it yet. Last paragraph. You have the potential, the resources are available. The opportunity is there. What has been missing is your decision to go for it. It's a harsh wake-up call. Sometimes we're just playing a little small, pretending like greatness doesn't exist. Man, I've been guilty of this for so long, in so many different areas, and then I'm like, what the hell am I doing? Gotta kick myself into gear. To get that silver pin, I had to do a radical change in what I was doing. If I did not change and get uncomfortable, I wouldn't have got that. So to fill in some of you that didn't see it, is a circle of excellence little pin. I think there's been 12 or 13 maybe in the history of Proctor Gallagher consultants to get a silver pin. I don't mean that egotistical. You're like, Scott's cool and stuff, right? Of course, I don't mean that. But it's a shown sign that I use the same material. I use the same laws. I use the same program, everything. We have the same overarching huge mentor in Bob Proctor. Same thing. If I did not follow this, I wouldn't have got that. You can do better, and you can do better. What decision do you have to make? What are you looking for? Maybe you want to go somewhere. Maybe you want to do something different. Maybe there's a new marketing plan you could be doing. What is it for you? Think about that as we go through the rest of this. Very powerful. Maybe this will help you frame the situation a lot better. The quantum leap is something you've been keeping from happening. It's not something you have to struggle to make happen. You don't really force it into existence. You just let it occur. The key is not to get in the way. So I just want to pause and let this sink in a little bit. And I'm going to go to this one here. You must be willing to tolerate ambiguity, confusion, possibly even chaos for a while, shaping your game plan as you go. Allow some disorder in your life.